Assalamualaikum and good morning to all my students of class 9. My name is Miss Noreen and I will teach you science online. Welcome to Metropolitan Foundation School. As you know students, we already discussed chapter number 1, Introduction to Biology, in our previous lecture. Today I will study MCQs of this chapter. First of all, I give some information about your biology paper. Your biology paper consists of two parts. Section A, MCQs, it is of 30 marks. And section B, short and descriptive question answer, it is of 30 marks. Today, I will start MCQs of chapter number 1. And this MCQ section of biology consists of 30 marks. Now I will start MCQs number 1. Biology is the study of option A, life, option B, matter, option C, mineral, option D, medicine. In our previous lecture we already discussed biology is the study of life. In biology, we study life of different living organisms. That's why the correct option is option A, that is life. Okay. MCQs number 2. Zoology deals with the study of option A, plants, option B, animals, option C, insects, option D, fossils. As you know students, zoology is the branch of biology. Zoo means animals. Its name indicates in this branch we study about animals. So the correct option is option B, animals. Remember students, in zoology we study about animals. Okay, now going next. It deals with the study of plants. Option A, botany. Option B, animals. Option C, insects. Option D, fossils. In botany, botany is a Greek word and it means plants. Its name indicates in this branch of botany we study about different plants. A branch of biology in which we study about plants is called botany. So the correct option is option A, that is botany. 4. The study of tissues of plants and animals is called option A, histology, option B, physiology, option C, paleontology, option D, biotechnology. So students, histology is that branch in which we study about tissues. Histos is a Greek word and histos means tissues. What tissues? Tissues of animals and plants we study in the branch of histology. So the correct option is histology. In histology we study tissues of plants and animals. Okay. MCQ number 5. The study of remote past organic life with the help of fossils is called. The branch of biology in which we study remote past organic life with the help of fossils is called option A, genetic, option B, paleontology, option C, taxonomy, option D, anatomy. So students, we already discussed in branch of biology, in different branches of biology. Paleontology is a branch of biology in which we study fossils. This branch in which we study remote past organic life with the help of fossils, this branch of biology is called paleontology. Next, the study of parasites. We already defined in previous lecture what are parasites. Those organisms which harmful for man and cause different disease, they are called parasites. The example of parasites is mosquitoes. Mosquito, in the saliva of mosquito, Plasmodium is present, and this Plasmodium is the cause of malaria. So it is also called parasites. The branch of biology in which we study different parasites are called A. Parasitology, B. Genetics, C. Taxonomy, D. Anatomy. Students, as you know that parasitology is a branch of biology in which we study different parasites. So the correct option is option A, parasitology. Next is the study about action of drugs is called option A, pharmacology, option B, microbiology, option C, plants, option D, zoology. Pharmacology is the branch of science, is the branch of biology in which we about action of drugs, different drugs. This branch in which we study action of different drugs, it is called pharmacology. So the correct option is option A, that is pharmacology. It deals with the production of varieties of crops, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. This branch in which we produce different variety of crops, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. This branch is called option A, agriculture, option B, forestry, option C, farming, option D, horticulture. Okay. The branch of biology in which we produce different varieties of crops, fruits, and vegetable and dairy products. This is called agriculture. So the correct option is option A, that is agriculture. It deals with the care and breeding of animals which are beneficial for man. What they called A, animal husbandry, B, farming, C, forestry, and D, horticulture. Students, remember the branch of biology in which we care and breeding of different animals. What do you mean by breeding? Breeding means we produce different varieties of animals which are beneficial for mankind. For example, cow, okay, and hen. It is the example of that animals which are beneficial for mankind. In this branch, we care and breeding of these animals that are beneficial for man. This branch is called animal husbandry. Next, scientific name of mustard is option A, Brassica campestris, option B, Rana tigrina, option C, Pisimum sativum, option D, Rosa indica. Okay. The scientific name of mustard. Mustard is a sarso plant. Mustard is a common name. What is scientific name of mustard and sarso? It is Brassica campestris. Students, every species consists of scientific name. This scientific name consists of two parts, genus and species. First word of scientific name is called genus and second name is called species. For example, Brassica is a genus and campestris is a species. Okay, Brassica campestris is the scientific name of mustard or sarso. We study MCQs of chapter number 2, that is solving a biological problem. we start MCQs from MCQs number 1. Problem solving approach of biology and other sciences called option A scientific method, option B biological method, option C hypothesis, and option D deduction. Students, a method we use to solve biological problem and other sciences, this method is called scientific method. So the correct option is option A, that is scientific method. For example, pollution is the major problem. We research this problem. This method is called scientific method. In scientific method, we find out causes of pollution, okay, and solve this problem. This method is called scientific method. MCQ number 2, field of research that examine mathematical representation of biological system. In biological system, we examine different mathematical representation. This is called option A ratio, option B mathematical biology, option C proportion, option D laws. So students, the correct option is option B mathematical biology. Okay. Next, biological method involves all of the following except option A data collection, option B observation, option C experiment, and option D proportion. Students, remember, biological method consists of different steps. In this option, that step is not included in biological system. Biological method is proportion. Proportion is a step of scientific method. So the correct option is option D. Proportion. Proportion is not the step of biological method. Okay. Scientific reasoning moves from specific to general. Scientific reasoning is the step of scientific method, okay, which study in scientific reasoning? A. Inductive, B. Deductive, C. Observation, D. Both option A and B is correct. So students, remember, inductive reasoning is the step of scientific method, and inductive reasoning we move from specific to general. For example, shark have fins. Okay, it is specific. If you study all fishes, all fishes have scales and fins in their bodies. So this is general study. In scientific method, we move from specific to general because all fishes have scales and fins. That's why shark is also a fish and they have fins. And these fins help shark to swim in water. Next, quantitative observation is the use of. In quantitative observation, which instrument we use? Option A, senses. Option B, equipment. Option C, gas. Option D, ratio. Students, remember that in quantitative observation, we use different equipments. What do you mean equipments? Equipment means different instruments that we use in laboratory. For example, physical balance, beaker, and other apparatus. In quantitative observation, we use different equipments to conduct different experiment and find out different values. Okay. Now, equation starting from the two ratios are equal. That equation in which two ratios are equal is called A ratio, B proportion, C gas, and D senses. The ratio between the equation in which two ratios are equal. Equation in which two ratios are equal is called proportion. So the correct option is option B, that is proportion. The comparison of two values. If we compare two values, it is called A ratio, B proportion, C graph, and D table. So students, remember, if we compare two values, this is called ratio. Now, what is hypothesis? Something as an unproven theory. B, a tentative explanation that can be tested and is falsified. C, variable observation. D, fact based on quantitative data. What is hypothesis? In 4 options, write correct definition of hypothesis, that is option B. Hypothesis is a tentative explanation that can be tested and is falsified. Hypothesis is the explanation of scientists that can be tested after observation. This is called hypothesis. For example, in mosquito saliva, Plasmodium is observed by scientists. That's why scientists gave their idea Plasmodium is the cause of malaria. This statement, which is given by the scientists, it is called hypothesis. So hypothesis is tentative explanation that can be tested and falsified after giving idea of scientist. Next, the cause of malaria is A, Plasmodium, B, algae, C, fungi, D, viruses. What is the major cause of malaria? Malaria is a disease and it is caused by biting of mosquitoes, because in mosquito saliva Plasmodium is present and this Plasmodium is the cause of malaria. So what is the cause of malaria? Option A, Plasmodium, option B, algae, option C, fungi, and option D, viruses. The correct option is option A, that is Plasmodium. Plasmodium is the major cause of malaria. Okay. I hope students you understand these MCQs. You give your feedback in your class groups. Thank you so much.